Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 19th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so today is going to be a camera-less video. I hope you won't miss my pretty face too much. Tesla closed down $5.84. That's 0.67%. We close at 864.27. Post-market, we are still up though. We are up $1.88. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Okay, I'm cheating a bit, but this should only be seen on the hour chart. I remember yesterday we had a nice green candle, but then a little bit of a wick at the top, so showing a bit of selling pressure. So today we opened above yesterday, but pretty much went straight down. But we have a little bit of a buying pressure at the bottom here. So we are close to this 881 resistance, and we are stuck between 799 or 800, let's say. We are back into the congestion zone that we were in. Remember here, we were in this congestion zone at the beginning of this year from January 7th to February 19th. So we were in this congestion zone. So the move, Matthew, was to just come down right here and sell the stock after it dropped here. You could have been out of the stock, even though we retested 799, we came back down. So now we are just back into this congestion zone, and we are getting very close to 881. And today we are even closer, but we are just doing a small pullback. So we have a pullback that's not even 50% of the candle. So that's a decent pullback. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand a little bit more what happened today. So we opened right here with this candle here. So we opened above 875.36. Remember, we had two candles that stopped at that point. 875.36 is an intraday resistance that we discovered yesterday. This morning at 9:30, the first candle of the day, we opened above this. We opened at 877.33 and then pretty much went down. And coincidentally, there are no coincidences. So the low of the first candle is pretty much equivalent to the low of the candle at 12:30 yesterday. Let me give you this exact number. So these are intraday support and resistance. Okay, so 861, wow, this one is a mouthful. 861 like this. So this is a very small congestion zone. This is a top, this is a bottom, this is a top, this is a bottom. This is a very small congestion zone. So if we break 861.81 tomorrow, then the next stop for Tesla is either the gap that we have here. So we had a gap. The rule with the gap is that the stock should be filling up the gap. So maybe the stock wants to go back here and fill up that gap. Let me tell you that number exactly. This is 843.90. 843.90. I'm going to put it here on the chart. 843.90. And there's also this support right here. There's also this support right here. When we have multiple support like this, it's not too far-fetched to think that the stock would come down around that double support. We have the earnings call tomorrow scheduled right here, 5:30 Eastern time. If we break the 861 support here, we might go down a little bit, but after hours on Wednesday, maybe things are going to go back up. Here, also, one thing to note here, this is an M pattern that the stock is doing. M like this. This is an M pattern, and basically the rule with the M pattern is that if the stock breaks the middle part of the M, which is 861.89, the stock is going down. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators here. So stochastic is still super high at 90.73. The stock remains very strong. We have RSI that is in the overbought zone, but that does not necessarily mean that the stock is going down right away because it started in the overbought zone right about here, right here. And this was not the time to sell it. It was the time to just stay in it and ride this pony. If RSI comes back down into below 70, then we might start to think that maybe it's time to sell. So RSI is still good for now, but let's just keep an eye on it. MACD crossed over bullish. The two lines are over zero, so it's all good. And RSI is just making a little bit of a dip here for the green line that represents the bullishness in the stock, but the bearishness in the stock is also going down. All in all, still good with Tesla. We are still stuck at 881. We have, this should be green. This is a test for you guys. If you don't tell me in the comment section below, then I know that you're not listening. Somebody failed that test. I'm just joking with you guys. So this is a nice green here because this is support. This is where the stock is at right now, but Wednesday is going to be a catalyst for sure. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of this channel. I have a TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this great tool that you can access from the interwebs. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.